Home Remedies presents How to Reverse Diabetes, Never Take Insulin or Medication Again. Here's how. Hi guys, good day to all my viewers. Hope you all are in good health. I'm Rabia and in today's video, I will share with you a very effective and simple natural remedy which is proven to be helpful to cure high blood sugar levels. So I recommend to watch the video till the end to get full information. And without any more wait, let's start. According to data from the National Health and Nutrition Examination Survey, approximately half the US adult population has diabetes or prediabetes. The estimated prevalence of type 2 diabetes among US adults is 12 to 14%, and the prevalence of prediabetes is 37 to 38%. The same data indicates that around 35% of those who have type 2 diabetes have not been diagnosed, and 93% of those with prediabetes do not know they have a potential health problem. The remedy that I will share with you today will treat your high blood sugar levels and maintain it. So let's see how to make it. Amla and turmeric for diabetes. Indian gooseberry, amla 5 grams, turmeric haldi powder 5 grams. How to take? Take equal amounts each with water daily, morning and evening. Amla and turmeric powder have lots of medicinal properties that can even cure chronic diabetes. Take this remedy up to 4 to 6 weeks and see the results. Amla and bitter gourd for diabetes. Amla juice 1 tablespoon. Bitter gourd juice half cup. How to take it? Simply mix 1 tablespoon of amla juice in a half cup of bitter gourd juice and ingest. By taking it regularly for 2 months, once a day, you can reduce blood sugar level. Try any of these remedies, you will surely get relief. If you liked the video and found it informative and helpful, click the like button and subscribe to my channel for new videos daily. Don't forget to press the bell icon to be notified whenever I publish a new video. Share on your social networks to help others benefit from it too. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.